Now students, let us start with the third question of exercise 9.7, chapter Indefinite Integral. Now students, the question is, first part is x log x square. We have to integrate x log x square. Now let us do this question. Integrate x log x square dx. Now integrate this. Now students, as I told you, according to Eilert, I write here, according to Eilert, x is algebraic function and log x square is log function. So according to Eilert, log can be taken as first function and algebraic function will be taken as second function. So because L comes first and A comes after log function. So according to Eilert, we take log x square as first function and x as second function. Now using the formula, I write the formula again, integral of uv dx. So this is equal to first function integral of second function minus integral of derivative of first into integral of second dx. So this is the formula. So applying over here, taking log x square as first function, so we write log x square into integral of x. Integral of x is integral of x. This is x square upon 2 minus integral of derivative of first. So derivative of log x square is 1 upon x square into 2x into integral of second function. So x square upon 2 dx. जो यहाँ लिखा होता है वही सेम हमारा यहाँ पर आ जाता है. Now on solving it, so what we get, log x square into x square upon 2. Now on solving it, cancelling 2 with 2, cancelling x square with x square and 2 with 2, so we get x dx. So we get log x square into x square upon 2 minus of x square upon 2 plus c. So students, this is the solution of this question. X square, log x square. So answer is log x square into x square upon 2 minus x square upon 2 plus c. So this is the solution of first part. So in the same way we can do the second part also. Second part is integral of x cube log 2x. X cube log 2x. Now let us do this question. X cube log 2x dx. Now see here. Now again here we have two functions. One is algebraic and other is logarithmic function. So taking log 2x as first function and x cube as second function, and we use the same formula. So we write log 2x into integral of x cube, x4 upon 4 minus integral of derivative of first 1 upon 2x into 2 and integral of x cube is x4 upon 4 dx. So what we get, log 2x into x4 upon 4 minus, now on cancelling we get 1 upon 4 outside, x cube dx, like this. So log 2x into x4 by 4 minus 1 by 4, integral of x cube is x4 by 4 plus c. So making it little more simplification, so we get 1 by 16 x4 plus c. So students, this is the solution of second part. So very simple question. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us move to the third part, students. Third part is 1 plus x log x. Integrate 1 plus x log x dx. Now students, in the same way, log, there are two functions, one is algebraic function and other is log function. So let us move in the same way, taking log function as first function and 1 plus x as second function. So we can write first function. Now integral of second function. Now integral of 1 is x and integral of x is x square upon 2 minus integral of derivative of first 1 upon x इंटू इंटीग्रल ऑफ सेकेंड, जो हमारा यहाँ पर आता है एक्सप्रेशन वही हमारा यहाँ पर आता है लाइक दिस. नाउ what we get, log x into x plus x square upon 2 minus, now divide each term by x, so we get 1 plus x upon 2 dx like this. Now integrate it. So what we get, on multiplying the bracket also, if we want we can multiply the bracket, we get x log x plus x square upon 2 log x. Now integral of 1 is x minus integral of x upon 2, so 1 upon 2 outside and integral of x is x square upon 2 plus c. So this is the solution of this question. Now the next part is log x whole square. Now students, here we have only one function, log x whole square. So in this question what we do, we take log x whole square as first function and 1 as second function, because there is no other function, only log function is there. So what we do, we take log x as first function and 1 as the second function, and now integrate in the same way. So taking log x whole square as first function, so first function integral of second function, that is 1, is x, integral of derivative of first, so log x whole square derivative is 2 log x into 1 upon x, integral of second, this is x dx. So on solving it, what we get, log x whole square into x minus 2 outside, and we get log x dx like this, cancelling x with x. So now here we are getting only log again, so moving in the same way, taking log x as first function and 1 as second function. Now taking log x as first function, second function is 1, so integral of 1 is x minus integral of derivative of first, so derivative of log x is 1 upon x into integral of second is x dx. So we get x log x whole square minus of 2x log x plus 2, and here we get 1 dx because x get cancelled with x, so we are getting like this, x log x whole square minus of 2x log x plus 2x plus c. So students, this is the answer of this part. So this is the fourth part, students. Now let us move to the next part. Next part is x log x whole square. Now let us do the fifth part. Integral of x log x whole square dx. Now let us do this part. So here also we have two functions, one is algebraic, other is logarithmic. So taking log x whole square as first function and x as second function. Now let us integrate. Now see, taking log x whole square as first function, integral of x is x square upon 2 minus derivative of first 2 log x into 1 by x, into integral of second x square upon 2 dx. So we get log x whole square into x square upon 2, cancelling 2 with 2, and we get, on solving it, we get x log x dx. Now here again we have to use the formula. So we get log x whole square into x square upon 2. Now again use the formula. So we take log x as first function and x as second function again. So we write log x, integral of x is x square upon 2 minus integral of derivative of first 1 upon x, and derivative first is means derivative of log x is 1 upon x, and integral of x is x square upon 2 dx. So students, we are getting log x whole square x square upon 2 minus log x into x square upon 2 plus, so we get 1 over here, and here we are getting only x dx like this. So on solving it, log x whole square into x square upon 2 minus of log x into x square upon 2, 1 upon 2. Now integral of x is, this is x square upon 2. Now let us see the sixth part of third question, exercise 9.7. Question is log 1 plus x square dx. Question is log 1 plus x square dx. Now let us see that how can we integrate this. Now students, here again we have only one function, log function is there. So what we do, we take 1 as second function, because only one function is there. So we take log 1 plus x square as first function. Now taking log as first function and 1 as second function. Now use the formula, first function integral of second function. Second function is 1 and integral of 1 is x. Then derivative of first function means derivative of log 1 plus x square is 1 plus x square into 2x, and integral of second is x dx like this. So on simplifying, we get x log 1 plus x square minus 2 outside, then x square upon x square plus 1 dx. Now students, we have to integrate this factor. Now here we are getting x square upon 1 plus x square. Now in exercise 9.1 हमने क्या किया था कि if degree of numerator is equal to that of denominator, then we divide numerator by denominator and write the result in the form of q plus r by d. और इसमें हम क्या कर सकते हैं, अगर हमें डिवाइड नहीं करना है, अपॉन में हमारे पास एक्स स्क्वायर प्लस 1 है, सो वी कैन ऐड एंड सब्ट्रैक्ट 1 इन द न्यूमरेटर. We can add and subtract 1. So what we get, x log 1 plus x square. Now separating students, x square plus 1 upon x square plus 1 we get 1, and 1 upon x square plus 1 dx like this. So integrating this factor as it is. Now integrate it. Integral of 1 is x, and integral of 1 upon x square plus 1. This is tangent inverse x plus c. So students, we get x log 1 plus x square minus of 2x plus 2 tangent inverse x plus c. So this is the answer of this question. So I hope this is clear to you students. Now let us move to the next part of this. Then the next part is x square into log x square minus 1. Seventh part. Now let us see third question, seventh part. Integral of x square into log x square minus 1 dx. Now let us see that how to integrate this. So students, here also moving in the same way. Here we have two functions. One is x square and other is log function. So taking log function as first and x square as second function. Now let us integrate, students. Now see, so what we write, log x square minus 1 first function, integral of second function means x cube upon 3, derivative of first 1 upon x square minus 1 into 2x, and integral of second x cube upon 3 dx. So what we get, log x square minus 1 into x cube upon 3 minus 2 by 3 integral of x power 4 upon x square minus 1 dx, like this. Now here, students, degree of numerator is more than that of denominator, so we have to divide. We divide x power 4 by x square minus 1. So try on x square, we get x4 minus x square, like this. Now subtracting, we get x square. Now try on 1, so we are getting x square minus 1 minus and plus, so this is 1. Now writing this result in the form of q plus r by d, log x square minus 1 x cube upon 3 minus of 2 by 3 and integral sign q plus r by d, means we write this is our q, so q plus r is 1, so plus 1 upon x square minus 1. So we write like this, q plus r by d. Now integrating it, so what we get, log x square minus 1 into x cube upon 3 minus 2 by 3 integral of x square, x cube upon 3, integral of 1 is x, and 1 upon integral of 1 upon x square minus a square, and integral of 1 upon x square minus 1. So here we use the formula of dx upon x square minus a square. So formula is 1 upon 2a log x minus 1 upon x plus 1. So this is the solution, students. I hope this is clear to you. Now this part is log x plus under root x square plus a square. This is the 8th part. Again, students, there is only one function. So what we do, we take log as first function and 1 as second function, like this. So this is the first function and 1 is the second function. Now integrating, so formula is first function, like this, integral of second function is 1, so its integral is x minus derivative of first function log fx. Derivative of log fx is 1 upon fx. We know the formula, 1 upon fx into derivative of fx. Derivative of x is 1, derivative of under root 1 upon 2 x square plus a square into 2x. Formula is derivative of log fx is 1 upon fx into derivative of fx into integral of second, that is x dx. So log x plus under root x square plus a square into x minus. Now simplifying it, cancelling 2 with 2. So what we get, x plus under root x square plus a square. Take LCM of the bracket. So what we get, under root x square plus a square plus x under root x square plus x square into x dx. Now cancelling this factor with this factor like this. See again, log fx, 1 upon fx into derivative of fx. Derivative of x is 1 and derivative of under root x square plus a square is 1 upon 2 under root x square plus a square into 2x into integral of second function is x. Now with what we do, we take LCM of the bracket. So after taking LCM, this factor get cancelled with this. So we are getting like this. So we are getting x square plus a square. We are getting this expression now, and we have to integrate this factor. Now in the denominator we have x square plus a square and its derivative is 2x. So in the numerator we have only x. So what we do, multiply and divide by 2. So here we write 2x and we write x square plus a square minus half dx like this. Now this is the function and its derivative is 2x. So we know the formula. We know the formula very much, that how to integrate this. To integrate this factor, what we do, this is fx power n and this is f dash x. So its integral is minus half plus 1 upon minus half plus 1 plus c. So students, this is the answer. I hope कि ये क्वेश्चन जो है आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. So we get under root x square plus a square plus c. Now students, let us do fourth question, first part, integral of sine root x. Now let us see this question, how to integrate integral of sine root x dx. Now students, to do this question, first of all we have to put root x equal to t. Root x equal to t, squaring both sides we get x equal to t square and dx equal to 2t dt. So our question becomes sin t, and what is dx? 2t dt. Now taking 2 outside, we get t into sin t. So we are getting the same formula, t sin t, means we have to apply by parts. So keeping 2 outside, now t is algebraic function and sin t is trigonometric function. So algebraic comes first, so it means we will take t as first function and sin t as second function. So applying the formula, first function integral of second function means integral of sin t is minus cos t minus integral of derivative of first is 1 and into integral of second function means minus cos t plus cos t. Now solving it, we get plus integral of cos t. Now integral of cos t is sin t. So this is the answer. Now putting the value of t, t is root x cos root x plus sin root x plus c. So this is the solution of this question. Now second part is same, no change. Then we do third part now. cosecant cube x. Second part is same, moving in the same way. Second part is same. Now let us do the third part. Third part is integral of cosecant cube x dx. ये हमने करना है cosecant cube x dx. Now students, let us see. To integrate this part, what we do, we break cosecant cube as cosecant square x into cosecant x, like this, right? Now we take cosecant as first function and cosecant square x as second function. So let us integrate this. We write cosecant x first function, integral of cosecant square, this is minus cot x, minus integral of derivative of first. So derivative of cosecant x is cosecant x cot x into integral of cosecant square, this is minus of cot x dx, like this. So what we get, minus of cosecant x cot x minus cosecant x into cot square x dx, like this, right? Now minus of cosecant x cot x. Now to integrate this factor, in place of cot square x, what we write, what is cot square? Cot square is cosecant square x minus 1 dx. So we get minus of cosecant cube x dx on multiplying and plus cosecant x dx, like this. Now here we have I. I equal to, so what we do now, minus cosecant x cot x as it is. Now this factor is equal to I, because our question is integral of cosecant cube x dx और उसको हमने क्या लिखा है, I. So in place of this we can write I plus integral of cosecant x. Integral of cosecant x is log tangent of x by 2 plus c. Now what is the next step? ये जो I है इसको हम शिफ्ट कर देते हैं ऑन लेफ्ट साइड. सो 2i इक्वल टू माइनस ऑफ cosecant x cot x प्लस log टेंजेंट ऑफ x by 2 प्लस c, और हमने फाइंड करना है I. So students, I will be, so the answer will be like this, that I equals to so we write I equals to 1 upon 2 minus of cosecant x cot x plus log of tangent x by 2 plus c. So students, this is the solution of this question. Minus half cosecant x cot x plus log tangent x by 2 plus c. Next part is cosecant cos 2x into log sin 2x. Now here we have two functions, one is log function and other is trigonometric function. So according to ILATE, we will take log as first function and cos 2x as second function. So now integrate. So first function, integral of cos 2x sin 2x upon 2 minus derivative of first 1 upon sin 2x into cos 2x into 2, and integral of cos 2x is sin 2x upon 2 dx, like this. So on solving it, what we get, Sine 2x can be cancelled with sine 2x, cancel 2 with 2. So we are left with log sine 2x into sine 2x upon 2 minus we are getting only cos 2x dx like this. So now integrating log sine 2x as it is, sine 2x upon 2 as it is. Now integral of cos 2x. So this is sine 2x upon 2 plus c. So students, this is the answer of this question.